Hello guys, today we are looking at how to get your Texas driver's license if you live in Texas and looking for a driver's license. So first, if you haven't, you need to sign up for a driver's ed course. The good thing about these courses is you can take them online. The course that I prefer or that I use was Aceable. So just search up Aceable, it'll pop up. Then just click on which one applies to you. So if you're 18 and up, you'll be getting this course, which is $30. And if you're like a teen, 14 through 17 years old, you can get this one where your parents help you and you take the course here and then you do your driving practice with your parents. But if your parents don't have time for practice, you can go to an instructor taught driver's ed, which we can click here, and then they have one too, but I don't know too much about instructor taught, so that's for like if you want to learn with a teacher, whatnot, and like actually go to a school, driving school. So anyways, so you just click on it, make an account, so you just need your name, email, and then verify that email. So let's say you finish this course. You can probably finish it really quick. It's not super long. After you finish it, you get some documents and get a appointment with the at the DPS. So that's like Department of Public Safety. There's these centers or driving test places in a lot of places. So you just click search up DPS Texas, and then here you can see driver's license. You look at the requirements here. So what requirements is, or what you need to bring when you're to your appointment, driver's test appointment, you need to bring your citizenship. So in your residency, that would be like your utility and whatnot, and your social security number. Then if you have ID, and if you're in school, they want you to bring a verification of enrollment, which is a paper you get from the school. You have to ask school if you're under 18. But if you're above 18, you don't need that. You also have to take the Impact Text Driver course. It's like a 6-hour video. Just watch, you can sit through real quick. That's also another course you need for that to be able to get your driver's license. And then to set up an appointment, just go back, then go to appointment scheduling system, schedule driver's license, then ask you here English. So just fill this out. I'll fill this out real quick. After you fill it out, you log in to the appointment thing. Click on new appointment. Then you just click on which one applies to you. So driver's license. So if you need to renew it, change it, or replace it, you click on that one. But if you are getting a permit or driver's license, you click on that one. It's grayed out for me because I already got one. There's like a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, just click it, fill it out, and then it gives you like date you can go take your test basically. And so let's recap real quick. You need a course. You need this course. So it could be this, or if you don't want to do from Aceable, you can do it from, just search up Texas drivers ed, and then it'll give you, there's like plenty of different options where you can take a course, but I prefer Aceable. That's just me. And I also have provided a link below it is a referral link, so money goes to me when you click on that link and sign up with it, but you also get a discount. I think it's like 10% discount. So if you use it, I'll really appreciate it. If not, whatever. Yeah, you need that course, and then you need the impact course, impact Texas driver. Let me switch it up. Texas. I think this is if you're under 18. Then you just like sign up here and take that course real quick. After that, you need your documents, so that'd be like your ID, passport, social security, and like utility bill to verify that you do live in Texas. That's like not older than 3 months. And just schedule an appointment and go take your test. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.